Hey guys, I'm here with Faith.
Long time no see.
We're at Earth Cafe. We're having ourselves a little Sunday. I figured I would start the vlog here because we're just gonna be hanging today. We're gonna go to the farmer's market and we're getting some little silly lattes at Earth right now.
Silly expensive lattes.
Seriously. And then we're gonna be hanging and banging. So we got our coffees and they're delicious. They're very small. Yeah, they're smaller than we anticipated, but that's okay. We also have in my lobby area at my apartment, we can make
That is true.
coffees.
Add like a shot. Ooh, add a shot of espresso.
Could do that. Earth lattes though are bomb, like I will say. So yeah, we're heading to the farmer's market now. I hope you guys can still hear me. But I'm really excited because I'm literally walking into Faith. I can't cross the street and vlog at the same time, but you guys know I live in West Hollywood and there's this farmer's market. And I have actually never been, and it's literally so close to me that I'm like, I hope I'm not embarrassing you, by the way, by doing this.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh no, not at all.
This is like London vibes, but back home in LA.
Honestly, get your money.
Honestly,
so long as what you're doing is for your career, I'm never gonna judge it.
Honestly, it ain't much money, but it's pretty fun. I make like a cent off my YouTube channel, but YOLO.
It's a cent more than I make.
Yeah, true. Well, you know, as long as the outcome is income. But the outcome here is that we're gonna go to the farmer's market. And I haven't been. It's very cute. That's my point. Jesus, can I like ever get to... I literally go off on 40,000 tangents. Like ADHD is me. My video is so crooked right now. I'm trying to hold it without dropping my phone.
And you're 10 pounds of berries.
Literally.
Very fun, very cute, a great way to spend the day if you have nothing else to do and you're getting angsty. If you're getting
I'm always angsty.
anxious.
Where's my thingy? Fuck, did I leave it at Riggs?
I'm assuming you're going to mute this so you can't hear my annoying voice in the background.
I might not.
Or
Bang.
maybe follow the directions.
Yeah, okay, what?
Let me see. It's like kind of
Whoa,
there
whoa!
you
It's
go.
like champagne!
That's why.
I wish we had some champagne.
I'm like, is there a liquor store?
Oh, they're so tiny. They're so tiny. Okay. Then it says, place rolls in pan, cinnamon topping up. I just washed my paws, don't worry. 1, 2.
That is a tiny ass little pan. It's all gonna like, oh, you know what you could do? Is you could turn it into like a little cinnamon loaf.
Well, you know how they're like supposed to all kind of stick together?
Yeah.
Well, these
They'll
are also
definitely
really
fucking
small.
stick together.
Cause like in the round one.
Bruh, they're gonna expand so much. It's gonna be hilarious.
Oh well.
No, it'll be great.
Okay, then what? Spread with, bake 13 to 17 minutes and then spread with icing. Is this the icing? Yes.
I hope so.
I've only made homemade cinnamon rolls, so I don't know about this repackaged stuff twice. Suck my ass twice. For Friendsgiving, I went to 2 Friendsgivings. I probably shouldn't be saying that on the internet because everybody's gonna come at me.
It's okay, you only have 2 friends.
Yeah, literally. My apartment Friendsgiving and then my
And you share a common space with the 3 people in this.
I share a common space with the people that I went to my apartment Friendsgiving with, and then I also went to my boyfriend's best friend in LA's Friendsgiving, and he's been quarantining essentially with them, the same people who all get tested for work all the time. So just a disclaimer, I went to 2 Friendsgivings. I made, what was that? I made some cinnamon rolls. Twice, homemade, from scratch, no mixer, freaking rolling that shit out. Faith was here for the first round.
But I didn't get to eat any of them.
I know.
Which is rude. You made 2 batches and I didn't even get to try any of them.
You get to try these. Also, I'm gonna add, because I'm extra, I have this Flavor God buttery cinnamon roll, what's it called? Cinnamon sugar seasoning. I'm just gonna add this on top because why not? Can never have too much cinnamon sugar. Okay, this says it's at 300. So when it gets to 4, we shall pop these bad boys in. Put this shit away. And I need to stop cussing. This is YouTube. But yeah, this is so exciting. So exciting.
Wait, before you turn it off, I'm gonna fire off rapid random questions for you to answer.
Oh,
okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna Google
Random questions.
random
to ask someone.
questions.
Okay.
Random questions to ask. Okay. What's the most beautiful place you've ever seen?
Oh my god, I don't know. Hawaii?
What's the weirdest thing in your refrigerator?
Alfredo sauce. That's not that weird.
It's not weird at all.
Bread and butter pickles.
Are those sweet pickles?
Yeah.
Blech.
Okay, that's weird, I guess. Some people don't like them. I think they're fire. Probably sweet pickles then, I guess. Yeah, right? Sweet pickles are my favorite. I only like those.
What was your favorite toy when you were growing up?
I had a stuffed animal bear named Bevy, and I pretended she was a Build-A-Bear and that she got unstuffed, and I brought her to Build-A-Bear and told them to put a heart in her, and they were like, this isn't a Build-A-Bear. And I was like, can you please just restuff her? She's getting a little flat. There's the oven, and they did it. And so long story short, she has a heart. Bevy Bear.
Wait, they did it?
Yes, Beverly Bear was her name, Bevy for short.
Oh my god, okay. If you could trade lives with someone, who would you choose?
Oh my god, I don't know.
Other than me.
Well, shit. Someone who's famous, no, not famous, someone who's quietly wealthy on a desert island that like...
Is stupid successful, but nobody necessarily knows
Exactly, yes.
Would you rather have 10 hobbies or 1 passion?
Oh, 1 passion.
When do you feel the most in control?
Never. Really never.
If you could only use 1 word for the rest of your life, what word would you choose?
Poop.
I'm so glad you're like a 12-year-old boy.
I actually am a 12-year-old boy.
If you had the entire world's attention for 30 seconds, what would you say? Gonna start counting, ready?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be...
Okay, let's see. These are interesting. How can you tell if someone has a sense of humor?
They're funny. Yeah, like, I don't know. Well, I have a specific kind of sense of, like, I'm very sarcastic, so I guess it's like if someone can have a sense of humor, I just might not find it funny.
Mm-hmm. Okay, if you could change your name, what would you change it to? Other than Faith.
Consuela Banana Hammock.
That's my friend's bunny's name.
Isn't that's
It's from Friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yasmin named her rabbit.
Good for her.
Banana hammock, yeah. Spontaneity or stability?
Oh, stability. Like, you know, come on. Come on.
Have you ever kept a secret for more than a decade?
Probably. Probably. I don't know.
Hopefully, otherwise you're not getting any more of my secrets.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure I have.
I already know the answer to that one. Ooh, okay. When did you last meet a stranger you thought you'd never meet again?
Am I supposed to have met them like a second time afterwards? I don't
I'll let
know.
you interpret it as you so choose.
I don't know.
What's your worst habit?
Biting my cuticles.
How do you think the world would be different if bananas were illegal? This is on the list.
I'm going to jail, baby.
If you found $2,000 on the ground, what would you do with it? Apparently it's assuming that you keep the money. So
Put it in my bank account.
You're going fun.
I know.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
Pineapple.
This is a great question. Did you just say pineapple?
Swear to God. Because I like to have, my favorite pizza topping is like barbecue. I like barbecue chicken pizza with pineapple, but I also like ham with pineapple. But I would also eat pepperoni pizza with pineapple or just plain peanut. I am one of the rare kinds that really likes. That's why I like.
Sacrilegious.
That's why I like sweet pickles though, is because I really enjoy a mixture of sweet and savory.
Yeah.
Like Annie Ann's pretzels with like the cinnamon sugar on top.
Yeah, that's just sweet.
Yeah, but you could dip it in like.
What, mustard?
Yeah. No, the pretzel itself isn't that sweet. The pretzels in and of themselves are not sweet. They're like neutral. I don't know.
You're a psycho. And here's the final question.
Yeah.
What would you do if you could possess the abilities of your dog?
Piss on everything. If I could lift my leg and pee whenever I wanted and no one would think that that was messed up, I would so do it. You've seen, I've peed 4 times since either have a permanent UTI or actually the smallest bladder.
There's some combination of the two.
Both. I think I have a genetically small bladder, but I also think I've trained myself to like urinate 1,000 times. I also drink a lot of water.
That is true. You do.
And coffee.
Water. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so
wonderful
much.
having you on my show.
Anytime. Our cinnamon rolls have been in there for 5 minutes.
Oh, I didn't even realize you put them in yet.
Let's see what they're looking like.
Are they looking like fluffy little monsters?
I mean, if you go to the right people, they can still keep the health of your nails intact and like integrity.
Have a Valentine.
Bitch, you have like a built-in Valentine. He's like the love of your fucking life.
Aww. My little stinker. The verdict is in. Ew, the paper towels are like in front of your face. They're pretty freaking good.
They're perfect.
I think these are the mini ones. Because I just ate it in one bite. Yeah, same. Okay. I'm like trying to be a good human and save some for my boyfriend. He's like on a health kick though.
You could always Postmates another batch.
It's a little dramatic.
And eat all of them.
Yeah. Okay guys, that is all for today's video. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know it was kind of like random bits and bobs, but I hope you enjoyed my little hangout with Faithy today.
Bye, guys.
Bye. I'm gonna go be productive, and she is too.
Theoretically speaking.
Yeah, let's see. We'll see. I'm gonna go to my man's house, and Faith is gonna go to her
Own house.
own house.
Because she don't got a man's yet. Sort of.
Anyways, yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed hanging. Faith and I are thinking of doing a drunk mukbang or a drunk Q&A or a non-drunk Q&A. I just feel like the drunk would be funny. I have this like cute little bar cart situation, so like you can't even see it.
We
So
could set it up and have that be the background.
be cute. So like leave responses down below of what videos Faith and I should film together, because I'm gonna put more of my friends on my channel for you guys to see. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.